Hi yogis, welcome to this grounding yoga session. Today we will explore tree pose. This is very balancing posture that builds focus, stability and inner calm. To start, let's stand tall. Lengthen your spine, soften your shoulders and take slow deep breath. Shift your weight gently into your left foot. Bring your right foot to the left ankle, your calf or your inner thigh, wherever you feel it's steady for you. But avoid placing the foot on the knee. And now press your standing leg firmly into the ground. Draw your belly in slightly and feel your spine lifting upwards. Bring your hands together at the heart in prayer, or when you feel balanced, you can extend your arms overhead or branches like a tree, whatever feels comfortable for you, and you can switch it up in the practice. Take slow, steady breaths. We are improving our balance and stability. We're opening the hips and strengthening our posture and alignment. This posture is very grounding and calming. And here with this grounding and balancing asana, we are working with three main chakras. We are working with the Root Chakra, our Muladhara. The location is base of the spine, element is earth. It teaches us to balance and connect to the earth. The core qualities of the root chakra are physical and emotional grounding. It's building the sense of safety and inner supports. And also we're improving stability and balance. Secondly, we are working with our Svadhisthana, Sacral Chakra. It's located in the lower abdomen. Element is water. And this chakra is working with improving creativity and emotional balance, supporting connection to the body and movement. And thirdly, we are working with Manipura, our solar plexus. This is in the upper abdomen, and this element is fire. And Manipura helps us to stay centered, confident, and stable. It builds inner strength and willpower, enhances focus and confidence, and again, on the physical level, improves our posture. So now we're gonna go in and affirm our beautiful healing affirmations here. I feel the steady support of the earth beneath me, and I trust that I am safe and grounded. With each breath, I root deeper into my foundation, releasing fear and welcoming a sense of calm stability into my body and mind. My roots are strong, my balance is steady, and I move through life with confidence and ease. I allow my emotions to flow with ease. My hips open with softness and grace, inviting creativity, joy, and movement into my life. I honor my desires, my passions, and my ability to create beauty and meaning in the world. I welcome change and flow, trusting that my inner waters guide me towards emotional balance and vibrant self-expression. I stand confidently in personal power, knowing that I am capable, I am fully aligned with my purpose. My body is steady, my focus is clear, I radiate confidence. All is well with me. Thank you so much, yogis. Lots of love to you. Bye.